it is a racial dog whistle, meaning that Trump wants to go after black people. Right? Which again is hilarious. Okay,
Facts.
It really is.
Hilarious,
okay?
bro.
So I guess they're doing that with well now, and trying to say that, well, people that comment well under any video of a black person or a black
or the
person
racist,
which they're being painted in a negative light, or the proximity to a negative light. I'm not sure exactly how this person phrased it.
Disparaging.
How woke language is just so weird, right? They just talk so funny.
Yeah.
Okay, when they're trying to talk in wokenese, right?
Yeah. Corny, bro. Corny.
Scan. Plan. Now you can.
It's vexatious, to be honest. To be honest, to be candid, it's vexatious. The fragility of these people, man, that say everything is racist. Everything is discriminatory. Everything is not discriminatory. That's facts. Facts don't care about your feelings, bro. Facts don't care about your feelings.